Sammy.
Hi guys! Korean Thanksgiving Day Chuseok has come. Do you know what Koreans do on Chuseok? We make offerings of grain and fruit from the first harvest of the year to ancestor, and we definitely have Songpyeon, which is rice cake with family. Simple, unique, and naughty Songpyeon recipes coming! 성공. Shall we start? This one is 맛밤, which is cooked chestnut. It's already sweet and cooked, so you can just crush them and use. Beans or any kinds of nuts, whatever you have could be fillings. I'll make another fillings. It's toasted sesame seed, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon brown sugar. If the blender doesn't work well, then I do like this. But please, you guys don't do this. A bit of honey and mix together. This one is rice flour and it's kind of wet. Half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. First, sift the rice flour. Using hand is easier. Now we're gonna have 3 different colored doughs with natural fruit powder. A half teaspoon cactus fruit powder in a most of amount. If you don't have any powder, then you can skip. Just a little bit of chlorella powder in a small amount. From the white one, hot boiled water, little by little. Little more. I knead the dough like this. Alright, then wrap this one with plastic bag so it's not gonna dry out. Now pink one, all the same. Knead the dough with hot water. It should be hot water, no cold water. The green one. While making Songpyeon, we need to cover up the doughs with wet cotton cloth. Otherwise, it's gonna dry out. I'll show you how to make Songpyeon. Okay, make a hole with thumb and like this, like a bowl. But if it's too much, then it really happened. So, try again. Make a hole in the middle and like this. When it looks like a bowl, then let's fill with the fillings. Seal like this. And then make a good shape with your finger. That's it. This time, sesame seeds filling. Alright, I've got pink one and green one. Then why don't we make strawberries and watermelons? You know, pumpkin, peach shapes are common, so let's do something different. Make the dough into a triangle shape with your fingers. And now with green one. With cookie cutter, we make a pretty top, like this. But something is missing, a seed. The white one is gonna be a seed. Cute. Shall we go watermelon? All the same? I'm making watermelon rind. I don't know if it's gonna work. I've got black sesame, so it's gonna be seed. Does it look like watermelon? I hope so. We can simply make heart with fork. Better than I thought. When the steam goes up, put the cotton cloth on the bottom and Songpyeon. It's like a clay. Another cotton cloth and cover up. 20 minutes over medium height and leave it for a while. Wow, how cute those are. Let it cool down just for a while and coat with sesame oil. Let me try. I wish it was chestnut. No, sesame seeds. Still good. I don't know which one is chestnut. This one? No, sesame seed. And this one? Which one has chestnut? This one? Okay, let me try. Yeah, chestnut. I only have 3. The others? My cute friend had them all. Looks like I made him happy. Happy Chuseok, everyone, and see you soon!